Hello everyone, Mommy D here again from Cook with Janela. Okay, in here I have a boiling water. I'm going to cook spicy Korean noodles, cold noodles. So this is how I do it. In here, the boiling water, I add in the thin noodles. Actually, it's like miswa. This is not the hard noodles. So it's very fast to cook, 3 to 4 minutes, and make sure we have to put submerge into ice water, preventing this from cooking more so that we don't have enough a overcooked noodles. So it's still al dente. So this is how I do it. It's very fast and easy, and this noodles is very light, and you can add anything, any meat that you want. So in here I have the white radish, which is I bought from the supermarket. So this is it's like sweet, sour. No, this is to add flavor. That's why this noodles is very refreshing actually, and it's healthy because you don't need to fry anything. And so that's the white radish. I slice it into thinly, and this is the carrots, very pretty carrots. I'm using this thing, my body, to make a very nice julienne strip. You see, this is very fast. The good thing, if you have this this thing, the peeler is like, so it's very fast. There are 3 kinds. One is to peel the skin, and this one is to julienne. No, so you don't need to use knife to cut stripe. So look at that, it's pretty, right? And it's fast and easy. So, and it's almost uniform in sizes. So, and the leftovers of course goes to my mouth. It's a waste to throw, right? So this is how I make, and then just try to separate this into pieces so that it won't stick together. So yeah, this is very easy, and well, yeah, just look at that. So only the radish I use knife because the radish is already slices into thin, so I cannot do it with the scraper. So, and then again the cucumbers. Oh, anyway, this cucumber is very long, so I try to you half first from half of the cucumber. So look at that, it's pretty, you know. It's almost yeah, it's very easy. And of course the core of the cucumber I didn't mix, so that's the seed, so you can throw that away. And in here get to plate, so put the noodles first. And remember, as I tell you, if you have meat, you can put anything. You can fry 1 egg to put on top. Yeah. And the sauce, and the star of this is the sauce, the gochujang. Yeah, later you will see. So I arrange the fresh cucumber and our carrots in there, and slice white pickled radish. It's this is very nice, this radish, sweet, sour, and it's refreshing. It's nice. No, this radish add flavor with the noodles together with the sprinkle of sesame oil, also from Korean supermarket. And this is the star of this dish, of course, the chili sauce, gochujang they call this in Korea. So this chili sauce, it's a must have in your kitchen, and sprinkle with some roasted sesame seed. Oh, sesame seeds always in the star in every dish of Korea. So, and mix it well, mix it together. And then if you think that it's not enough sauce, it's not enough chili, yeah, it depends to you. You want very spicy, then you can add more chili, because that chili, it's not salty at all. Yeah, the flavor is just nice, you know, sweet, a little bit sweet, spicy. Yeah, but you want too spicy, then you can add more chili sauce. So this one, I add again because I feel like it's still dry. See, it's easy, right? You don't need to fry. You don't need to fry the ingredient, and it's fresh. So this is good when the weather is hot. Yeah, to eat this noodle, cold noodles. See, that's one thing good in Korea. You see, that's one thing good. Watch a Korean movie, so you can see all the kind of foods, and you can try to make. So I top this with leftover chicken. See, now is the trying. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. Anyway, you can try. You can put any meat you want: chicken, pork, beef, whatever you have, whatever you like. Egg, you can tap. See, so yummy. I tell you, once you try this, you will keep on making it. So yeah, this is our spicy cold Korean noodles. It's so good that you want to eat more. So hope you enjoy it, and